this is the Agfa Chief, and I took off some screws in the back, which I'll show you in a moment, but that allowed me to take off the lens. So you can see the lens there, and there's the back of the lens. I cleaned it up, the glass. It's good shape besides needing cleaning. And here you can see the inside of the shutter mechanism, and it seems to be working now. It wasn't working at first on instantaneous speed. I'm going to put a piece of paper behind there, and then you can see where it's working on the instantaneous position now, at least most of the time. I'm going to show you the back of it also here, and here's the back of it. I've taken off one piece there. The little piece that connects with the wire there, see the wire goes down. I'm going to set this down for a second. There's a wire here. Where is it? There's a wire here that is attached to the shutter button, and then that pushes this, it's hooked down there, and then that pushes that down. So I'm going to hold this while hitting that, and there you can see that mechanism. So the shutter button is what's pushing that wire down there. Also you can see, I'll set it down again, you can see up here, these are the two flash contacts there and there that make contact for the flash. But that's how the inside looks. So I'm going to add a piece back there and close that back up. I think you can see the two little holes there that the screws go into. And so, but that's the shutter mechanism. So again, that's that picture, and here's from the front view, you can see how the shutter works.